young scientists! How are you today? I hope you're doing well. Welcome to a new day full of fun and learnings. Come on, join me as we discover and explore a new science learning today. At the end of this lesson, you are able to describe the parts of the reproductive system and their function. So what are you waiting for? Bring out your learning activity sheet and your pen and let's begin with our lesson for today.
Parts and functions of the reproductive system. In this picture, we can see a reproductive organ of a male and a female. Reproductive organs of both male and female have many parts and functions. So, let's proceed to the male reproductive system. First part is the testis. Testis produces sperm cells and secretes the male sex hormone, other known as the androgen and the testosterone. In this picture, testis is located here. Second part is the scrotum. Scrotum is the external pouch-like structure that holds the testis. In this picture, the scrotum is here. Next part is the penis. Penis is an external organ that contains the urethra. Penis is found here. Urethra. Urethra serves as the passageway of both sperm and urine. In this picture, urethra is this one. Next part is the vas deferens. Vas deferens transports mature sperm from the epididymis to the urethra. In this picture, that is the vas deferens. Next part is the prostate gland. Prostate gland contributes additional fluid and help nourish the sperm. That is the prostate gland. Bulbourethral gland. It is also known as the Cooper's gland. It produces fluid that provides the sperm with nourishing and balanced environment. That is the bulbourethral gland. Seminal vesicle. It secretes fluid that contains fructose. It is an energy source for sperm. When this fluid is added to the sperm, it is known as semen. Seminal vesicle is this one. Now, let's proceed to the female reproductive system. These two pictures are the female reproductive organ. The first picture is the internal reproductive organ of a female, while the other one is the external part. And now, let's proceed to the parts and functions of the female reproductive organ. First is the ovary. It alternately produces the female sex cells or the egg cells and secretes the female hormones known as the estrogen and progesterone. Ovary is this one. As you notice, there are two ovaries in the female reproductive system. Next part is the fallopian tube. Fallopian tube is a pair of ducts leading from the ovaries to the uterus. It is the pathway where the egg travels from the ovary to the uterus. There are 2 fallopian tubes in the female reproductive system. This one and the other side. Next is the uterus or the womb. It is the home for the developing fetus. This is where the baby develops. That is the womb or the uterus. Cervix. It is the neck of the uterus that opens to the vagina. It is the passageway for menstrual flow and the passageway for sperm. Cervix is located here. Next part is the vagina. It is the birth canal. It is a thin-walled passageway through which sperm can enter, passageway of menstrual flow and baby to the outside world. That is the vagina. Now, let's proceed to the external parts of the female reproductive system. First part is the clitoris. It is a sensitive protrusion that is comparable to the penis in males that is very sensitive to stimulation and can become erect. In this picture, that is the clitoris. Next part is the hymen. It is a thin piece of mucosal tissue that surrounds and partially covers the external vaginal opening. And that is the hymen. Next part is the labia minora. They lie inside the labia majora and surrounds the openings to the vagina. In this picture, this is the labia minora. Labia majora. The labia majora enclose and protect the other external reproductive organs. It contains sweat and oil-secreting glands. After puberty, the labia majora are covered with hair. In this picture, that is the labia majora.
Did you enjoy the lesson for today? I hope that the answer is yes. Always remember that our reproductive system is important. So please take good care of it and always know the function of each part. Now, bring out your learning activity sheet and your pen and do all the activities provided for you. Good luck! Again, this is your teacher Ashley. Hope that you learned a lot from our lesson for today. Bye-bye!